Okay, log 2x plus 3 to the base 4 minus 3 is equal to log x to the base 4. So, this is a question from logarithmic function, okay? So, what's the birth of x that makes this logarithmic equation equal? What's the birth of x? No? So, log 2x plus 3 to the base 4 minus 3 is equal to log x to the base 4. ስለዚህ እንደዚህ አይነት logarithmic equation solve ከማድረጋችን በፊት መጀመሪያ ምንድነው we have to find the domain of this logarithmic function ዶሜኑን መፈለግ ይጠበቅብናል because የምናገኘው ሶሉሽን ዶሜን ውስጥ የሚገኝ ከሆነ ሶሉሽን መሆን ስለማይችል ማለት ነው that means log x to the base b ዲፋይንድ የሚሆነው ምንድነው the function of x is equal to log x to the base b ከሆነ እዚህ ጋር ምን መሆን አለበት x must be greater than 0 b must be greater than 0 and b must be different from 1 መሆን አለበት ስለዚህ ጋር ምን መሆን አለበት okay 2x plus 3 must be greater than 0 and again x must be greater than 0 ይሆናል and from this one 2x greater than minus 3 and x greater than 0 that is both sides divided by 2 okay that is x greater than minus 3 over 2 and x greater than 0 and ደግሞ ምንድነው የሚያሳየው just shows an intersection okay ስለዚህ on the number line okay just minus 3 over 2 እዚህ ጋር ቢሆን around this one 0 because minus 3 over 2 is to the left of there okay then x greater than minus 3 over 2 ማለት ከminus 3 over 2 በቀኝ በኩል ማለት ነው x greater than 0 ማለት ደግሞ ከ0 to the right ይሆናል so and shows an intersection ስለዚህ intersection ፓርቱ ከዚህ ጀምሮ ይሆናል ስለዚህ ዶሜኑ ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው ዶሜን is equal to from 0 to positive infinity ይሆናል ማለት ነው that means የምናገኘው ሶሉሽን በዚህኛው ኢንተርቫል ውስጥ የማይገኝ ከሆነ ይሄ logarithmic equation እኩል መሆን አይችልም ማለት ነው so let's go to the solution okay ስለዚህ ምንድነው የምናደርገው the next step is just rearrange እናደርጋለን that is okay the question is one log 2x plus 3 to the base 4 minus 3 is equal to log x to the base 4 ስለዚህ ምንድነው የምናደርገው let's take this one to the right hand ወደዚህኛው bring ወደ left እናምጣው እስቲ that means log 2x plus 3 to the base 4 ሲኛው ፕላስ ነው ወደዚህ ስናመጣ ማይነስ ይሆናል minus log x to the base 4 ሲኛው ወደዛ ትራንስፈር እናደርግ is equal to 3 ይሆናል again we know that okay log x divided by y to the base b እንባል ማድረግ እንችላለን this is the same with log x to the base b minus log y to the base b እናደርጋለን in this case again x and y must be greater than 0 again b must be greater than 0 and b must be different from 1 መሆን አለበት so by using this formula ምን ማድረግ እንችላለን log 2x plus 3 to the base x 2x plus 3 divided by x to the base 4 subtraction ነበረው ወደ division እንቀይራለን that means 2x plus 3 divided by x to the base 4 is equal to 3 ይሆናል again the next step is just converting the logarithmic equation into an exponential እንቀይራለን that means log let's say 8 to the base 2 ብንባል this is 3 ነው የሚሆነው አይደል that means ወደ ኤክስፖነንት እንቀይር ምንድነው የምናደርገው to the power of 3 is equal to 8 እናደርጋለን again by the same technique that is for the power of 3 okay for the power of 3 is equal to 2x plus 3 over x ይሆናል that means logarithm function ወደ እንቀይራለን ወደ ኤክስፖኔንሻል እንቀይራለን for the power of 3 is the same with 64 is equal to 2x plus 3 over x ይሆናል just both side cross እናድርገው 64 times x is 64x is equal to 2x plus 3 ይሆናል just collecting like terms that is 64x minus 2x is equal to 3 ይሆናል 64x minus 2x is 62x is equal to 3 both side divided by 62 by 62 then from this one okay 62 divided by 62 is 1. 1 times x is x itself. So the x value is 3 over 62 ይሆናል ማለት ነው again we have to check this number ይሄኛው ቁጥር በዚህኛው ኢንተርቫል መገኘቱና አለመገኘቱ ቼክ እናደርጋለን and 3 over 62 is greater than 0 which is an element of this interval okay 0, 0 to ፖዚቲቭ ኢንፊኒቲ። ሶ ሶሉሽኑ ምንድነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው? the true solution is that is 3/62 ይሆናል ማለት ነው።